Our planet is facing a climate crisis, largely driven by greenhouse gas emissions. The burning of fossil fuels for energy is a primary contributor to these emissions. In Malaysia, a significant portion of electricity generation still relies on fossil fuels, contributing to our nation's carbon footprint. Committed to a sustainable future, Opulent has integrated ESG principles into our operations. One concrete step we've taken is the installation of a solar power system on our rooftop. Construction of our solar power system commenced in March 2024. Over the ensuing 5 months, our team diligently worked through various stages of the project. From the initial site preparation and structural reinforcement to the meticulous installation, each step was executed with precision. By July 2024, we successfully brought this ambitious project to completion. This achievement marks a significant stride towards our goal of reducing our carbon footprint. We believe that by embracing renewable energy, we're not only contributing to a healthier planet, but also demonstrating our commitment to a sustainable future.